Oh, look at that, so cute. And then there's like tiny. Okay, I should have used the thing that I saw earlier. So this is like mashed potatoes, and this is like the decor. And oh my god, look at those cute carrots. They're so pretty. So now I'm gonna see the soil here. Okay, so I'm gonna make this on a different episode. I'm showing you how it's done here. So first of all, you glaze some sauce, and then you can. So this actually act as a glue as well. So you're gonna put the mixed batter there. Oh, so that's actually a UV light. That's for flowers. Okay, and I get it. And you can put the steak there. Oh my god, that looks so cute. I'm gonna make this, so just look forward for another part where I actually make these. And oh my god, there's actually like a lot of variation. I actually really want the ramen bowl. I think it's so cute. And also this chocolate cake. I really actually look forward to this too, but this one is also really adorable. I really like the little details in this. This is like some, let's try opening this up. So I'm not gonna open this first, so looking for another part where I will do all this, so stay tuned.